Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw crabs. You can use a pencil or a marker, but you can use anything that you can draw with. And the color you need is dark yellow and orange. And also this is how it will look like. So yeah. So let's just get to the video. So first you will draw an oval like this. And then another oval a little bit out like this. And then you will draw a little curve on top of here. And then you can add a decoration. I'll just add it like it's happy, so I'll put an oval, like a circle, and then you draw a little circle on top, like this. And then the other one you do the same, except you can just add like a triangle like this. And then now you're going to add a body, so we're going to add like this. And then we'll add a long part like this. And then you will draw an oval like this. Another oval that's a little bit longer. And then you add a little thing like this. And then you add another oval like this. And then you will add a bigger one. Like that. Then you will add for legs here, like you draw like this. Then another one. And then another one. And then another one. And then you will add a mouth. So you add it like this. And then you add 2 circles for the cheeks. And then you add another 4 on the other side. Like that. Like that. And then now we'll start coloring. But we need to draw one more thing on the bottom. So add a line like this. And then you add a curve, and then another curve, and another curve. So now you're going to get some dark yellow. Like this. Dark yellow. And then you will open it up, and then you will color this like this. Like that. Now you get to get your orange and then you start coloring the outside, but you shouldn't color in the mouths. Like this. And you need to color in the cheeks too. And that's how it looks like at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!